Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are so fine. Today we are going to do a revision on units 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is this is a test on these units. The first question is listen and choose the correct answer. Before answering the questions, try to answer and send me your result or the mark that you will get. When we answer the question of listening, we should read the questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 at first and listen to the listening that I will say, then you can choose. Okay? Number 1. Where is Omar now? What do they often use in school? Number 3. Where is Omar's mobile phone? Number 4. How many laptop computers are there in the classroom? You will listen and try to answer. I am Omar. We often use tablets in school. There are 2 laptop computers in the classroom too, and there is a printer too. I have got a mobile phone, but it's in my bag. We don't use our phones in the classroom. Huh? Okay. Try to answer by yourself. Okay? Number 1, the answer will be where is Omar now? He is in the classroom. Okay. He is in the classroom. Okay. Number 2. What do they often use in school? After listening, they often use tablets in school. Excellent. Number 3. Where is Omar's mobile phone? On the desk, in the basket, in his bag, at home, in his bag. How many laptop computers are there in the classroom? There are 2 laptop computers in the classroom. 2. Okay. Question number 2. Complete the following dialogue. You must read the dialogue from here to here and try to answer. Between Omar and Ahmed. Omar, what's your best friend's name? Ahmed, he is space Hazim. Omar, what does he look space? Ahmed, he has space short dark hair and green eyes. Omar, what does he like doing? Ahmed, he likes reading and space video games. Omar, is he friendly and kind? Ahmed, yes, he is space. Omar, you really have a good friend, Ahmed. Ahmed, you were right, Omar. This is a conversation between Omar and Ahmed about Ahmed's best friend, okay? What's your best friend's name? He is space Hazim. Try to answer. Excellent. He is called Hazim. If I wanted to talk about the name of anyone, I will say he is Hazim or he is called Hazim. Okay? We will try cold. We will write cold. Okay, write with me. Omar, what does he look space? What does he look? If I wanted to talk about appearance, I will say look like, okay? Like. Okay. Right after me. Ahmed, he has a space, short dark hair and green eyes. If I wanted to talk about my hair or my eyes, I will use the verb has got or have got. He comes with has got. Here we will write got. We will write got. Good, okay? Omar, what does he like doing? He likes reading and space video games. Video games come with the verb play. Play video games. But here is like, and like followed by verb plus ing. So we will write playing. Okay? Playing. Okay. Is he friendly and kind? Yes, he. Here we will make a cross. نعمل cross. Is he؟ يبقى yes, he is. Okay. You really have a good friend, Ahmed. You're right, Omar. Okay. The question number 3 is the passage. عبارة عن الباسج القطعة. Read the following then answer the questions. It was a rainy day in January. The farmers were in their fields. A boy ran toward them, shouting for help. He told them that the river was coming up and they were in danger. They didn't believe him because he was just a little boy. An hour later, the high water in the river came over the land. The farmers now knew that the boy's words were true. They tried to save their fields and houses, but they couldn't control the water of the river. They had to run away. They were very sad because they lost both their crops and houses. In the afternoon, some engineers came with a number of machines and dug a canal from the river. Some machines were also used to pump the water out of the fields. Try to answer. Number 1. Why was the boy shouting? Here, the boy or a boy ran toward them shouting for help. يبقى he was shouting for help. You were right. He was shouting for help as the river was coming up. Okay. Number 2. Which season was it? What's the meaning of season? Season معناها فصل من فصول السنة. Okay. Which season was it? It was a rainy day in January. يناير. So here it was in winter. Okay. Number 2. It was in winter. What's the meaning of winter? فصل الشتاء. Number 3. When did the engineer come? Engineer means مهندس. When? متى? For time. Okay. When did the engineer come? Some engineers in the afternoon. Some engineers came with a number of machines. يبقى when in the afternoon. In the afternoon. The engineers came. Choose the correct answer. The underlined word they refers to. The underlined word مقصود بيها الكلمة اللي هي underline محطوط تحتها خط. They ها I should go back to the passage and I know where is they ها okay here the word they refers to what. I will read the sentence before they and after they. The farmers now knew that the boy's words were true. They tried to save their friends, their fields and houses. ها يبقى they refers to what? To farmers. Okay. Number 5. The farmers were sad because they lost their pumps, machines, their crops and houses, their children, their crops and houses. Number 6. The farmers didn't believe the boy because he was happy, clever, liar, كذاب, or little, صغير, little. Okay. The next question is choose. Choose the correct answer. You will read the sentence and answer it. A blog is a or an space diary. Diary مفكرة. Okay. مفكرة يومية. تمام. A blog is a or an online paper soft printer. Try to answer with me. Online. برافو عليك. Excellent. Number 2. Habiba has no time to lose. She is always space free, busy, difficult, cold. Busy. طبعا this is the lesson of Habiba Marzouk, gymnast. Number 3. My favorite space is football. Day, music, subject, sport. Football is a sport, so here we will choose sport. My favorite sport is football. رياضة. Number 4. A space is a group of people who play music together. مع بعض. Play music. Okay. Chess, bank, band, dream, band. Okay. Number 5. Basil can't walk. He needs a chain, wheelchair, swing, wing. wheelchair. الكرسي اللي هو اللي بعجل ده. Number 6. Some children in Egypt space to school. Recycle, circle, tricycle, cycle. Okay. D. Cycle means ride a bike. Okay. Ride a bike. Living in the desert has a lot of houses, adventures, rooms, shops. Adventures. Okay. He doesn't space to music. He doesn't listen, doesn't listens, doesn't listening, doesn't listened. Doesn't followed by infinitive verb without adding anything to it. Infinitive مصدر. Here we will choose listen. This book belongs space Ayman. Belongs of Ayman to Ayman for Ayman on Ayman طبعا belongs to ينتمي إلى أو يخص. Number 10. Is he space an email? Is he write? Is he to write? Is he writing? Is he writes? Am or is or are plus subject plus verb plus ing. This is the question in the present continuous tense. Okay. يبقى is verb plus ing. Is writing. The next question is read and correct. Okay. We will read the sentence and try to guess the meaning, to guess the mistake, الخطأ اللي هنا ده ليه. Okay. Number 1. I plays the drums. Plays. No, it's wrong. I in the present simple, the verb with I should be in infinitive without adding anything. I play. So here we will write play. Play without S. Number 2. What are you quite good at? Quite, Q-U-I-E-T means head. It's adjective. Okay. But I want to correct it to write quite means إلى حد ما. Okay. الإي طبعا برا Q-U-I-T-E. يبقى here we will write Q-U-I-T-E. Number 3. I can't go to school, so I am very ill. I am very ill is the cause, السبب. Okay, so ما تنفعش هنا يجي after it cause. Okay, so come after it result النتيجة. يبقى here so is wrong, we will write because لأن. Number 4. Listen. The birds sing on the tree. Sing wrong because there is a keyword of the present continuous. Listen, look, now. At the moment we will change the verb to am or is or are plus verb plus ing. The birds here equal they, it's a plural, so we will write are plus verb plus ing, are singing. Okay, are singing. Okay, the last question is write a paragraph of 80 words on your school day. When we write a paragraph, we should leave space. Okay, and we will write your school day. يومك الدراسي المدرسة. What can we say? We can say or we can write that what time we wake up. Okay, this is the first sentence. I get up at 6 o'clock. Right after me. Okay, I go to school. How? By bus. I go to school by bus. Who will or who go to school with you? My sister. Right after me. My sister and my brother go to school with me. I arrive at school. What time? I arrive at school at 7:30. Okay, write with me. I arrive at school at 7:30. How many subjects or how many lessons do you have at school? 8. Okay. I have 8 lessons at school. What else? What are the subjects that you take every day? I have English, science, math, Arabic, what else? Music, and art. Okay, what time is the break? I take, or I have the break at 11 o'clock. What do you do at your school day? Huh? Think and try with me. I have home economics, after break. What else? What time do you go home? I go home at 2 o'clock. What do you do after you go home? I take a shower. What else? I have lunch at 5 o'clock. With my family. Okay, what else? What do you do after your lunch? I do my homework. I do my homework at 6 o'clock. What else? I talk to my friends, or I go to bed. What time? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. We must write about 80 words on the paragraph. Okay? If you wanted to count these words, they will be 80. Okay? Is this difficult? Okay, see you later.